Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide Instagram story from someone. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step that you need to follow is to open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on your story, and here you need to select your story, and then you need to click on next and post your story. Okay, so now your story is shared. So how you can hide that from someone? Once you post that story, you simply need to click on your story and click on three dots in the right bottom corner, and here you need to click on story settings, and here you need to click on hide story from, and here you need to select peoples. So I already selected 9 people, so my story is hide from that peoples. So this is the process by which you can hide your Instagram story. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.